There you go, folks. How many folk do that? We're still getting a wee run over because all the shaves and all that. They like to lay the place tidy after this job in Mauchline, so we do. Right, yeah. And there he's at it again, he's impersonating his son, but no harm. Anyway, a couple of hellos again, by the way, but look at that, is that no, that's all done, tidy up, the cart's on the fence there, that's all done. I do admit it, I made a mistake with the gate, what are you going to make another gate? Wrong again. Anyway, never mind. Right, I want to get again my list. Hello to David Horner, who works at East Ayrshire Roads Department, I believe. I spoke to him in Mauchline today. Nice to meet you, David, for Kilmarnock. He never gave me a curly pie, mate. That's the only thing I'm disappointed. I'm not getting steaks for here, I'm not getting a curly pie for there, so what's happened? And also, an hello to Marion Jardine and Ms. Blown. Now, Marion, they tell me you follow me quite a lot and you like my videos, so I've got to say a special hello to Marion Jardine. Hello. And out with that, I know it wasn't you, Marion, that done the fly tip outside Anbank, because somebody can corroborate where you were yesterday. Anyway, this leads me in to the fly tip Ms. Blow at Anbank. I'll give you an update later in the week when I chase up pursue the possible whatever who I have to speak to, because I'm not going to lay this rest, because I'm not going to go and see Irvin tonight. So, sort your fly tip, folks, because I'm one to you. Okay, see you all later.